Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will show you how to add watch faces to your Apple Watch SE quickly. This applies to 40mm and 44mm Apple Watch SE models and modern Watch OS. You can add faces directly on the watch or use the iPhone Watch app to manage them. Watch faces let you change complications, colors, and styles instantly. Follow short, clear steps, and you will have a personalized face in minutes. Keep your watch and iPhone nearby for syncing and final setup. Wake your Apple Watch SE and long press the current face to enter the face gallery. Swipe left until you see New or a plus symbol, then tap the plus to open the face list. Scroll through face styles and tap one to preview it on the 40mm or 44mm screen. Tap Customize to change colors and complications, then use the digital crown to adjust each option precisely. When you finish, press the digital crown again to save. Open the Watch app on your iPhone to browse the face gallery and discover more face styles. Tap a face in the gallery, adjust complications and colors, then tap Add to sync it to your Apple Watch SE. The new face will appear on the watch and in My Faces for quick access. Use My Watch to reorder favorites, remove faces you do not want, or share a face with someone else. Changes sync automatically while your iPhone is nearby and connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.